Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Sketchbook app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will go down to click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Sketchbook and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to storage. After that, you can click on clear cache. And then you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.